Hello and welcome to Setup Tour of SimpleBooks Connector for PrestaShop. We will show you the installation and complete setup process of the module. Let's start. First step is to log in with your PrestaShop admin panel and go to Module Manager. Now click the Upload a Module and select the module zip. It will install the module. Once you see the message module installed, click the Configure button. It will take you to the module configuration page. Now the setup process of module will begin from here. The first step is to log in with SimpleBooks by clicking the button present at left bottom of page. It will open the SimpleBooks login page. Log in with your account. Now go to Users under Settings menu. Click View API Token and copy the token from here and paste in Module Setting. Now copy the company ID from URL of your SimpleBooks and paste in Module Setting. Next field is Start Date to Sync Orders. This field will set the date from which PrestaShop orders will sync to SimpleBooks. One last field is Order Statuses. Select the order statuses of PrestaShop orders that will be synced to SimpleBooks. Leave it you want to sync all orders. Now save the configuration. Module setting is complete. Now we will show you the syncing of customers, products, and orders. Click the SimpleBooks menu and you will see the sync menus. Now click the Sync Customers. Click the Export button to sync the customers from PrestaShop to SimpleBooks. Import button will do the reverse of export. We have already synced the customers. You can see the synced customer list is present. Let's see them in SimpleBooks also. See, customers are present in SimpleBooks. You need to repeat same process for products and orders also. We have already synced them. Let's see the products and orders in SimpleBooks. We have tried to cover all points, mainly the setup process. In case of any query, comment here or mail us at support@opencartcity.com. For further updates, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.